Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started. An online translating business involves providing language translation services remotely through digital platforms. As a translator, you offer your expertise in converting text, documents, or other content from one language to another to serve the needs of clients across the globe. The business model typically involves establishing an online presence, marketing your services, and connecting with clients through various channels such as freelancing platforms, dedicated translation websites, or your own professional website. To succeed in the online translating business, it's essential to build a strong professional reputation by consistently delivering accurate and high-quality translations. This includes understanding the nuances of both the source and target languages, maintaining up-to-date knowledge of industry-specific terminology, and adhering to professional standards and ethical practices. Developing effective communication skills and building client relationships are also crucial for understanding client requirements, providing timely deliverables, and ensuring client satisfaction. Additionally, staying updated with the latest translation tools and technologies can help streamline workflows and enhance efficiency in managing translation projects. With the right skills, marketing strategy, and dedication, an online translating business can offer flexibility, global reach, and the opportunity to serve clients from diverse industries and cultural backgrounds. Here are 5 websites that can help you establish and grow your online translating business. Prose.com, www.prose.com. Prose.com is a popular platform for professional translators and translation agencies. It provides a directory of translators, job postings, networking opportunities, and resources for continuing professional development. You can create a profile, showcase your expertise, and connect with potential clients. Translatorscafe.com, www.translatorscafe.com. Translatorscafe.com offers a range of services for translators, including job listings, a directory of translation agencies, and a platform to showcase your skills and services. It also provides useful tools like terminology databases and a forum for discussions. Django, www.django.com. Django is a translation service platform that connects businesses with professional translators. As a translator, you can apply to join their network and access a steady stream of translation projects. Django offers a user-friendly interface, clear guidelines, and competitive compensation rates. 1 Hour Translation, www.onehourtranslation.com. 1 Hour Translation is a global translation service that offers translation projects to professional translators. They have a user-friendly platform, a streamlined project management system, and a wide range of clients seeking translation services in various languages and industries. Translatorsbase.com, www.translatorsbase.com. Translatorsbase.com is an online directory and job platform specifically designed for translators. It allows you to create a professional profile, showcase your skills and services, and connect with potential clients seeking translation services. It also provides job listings and project bidding opportunities. These websites provide a platform to promote your services, connect with clients, and find translation projects to grow your online translating business. Remember to carefully review the terms and conditions, fees, and feedback from other users on each platform to choose the ones that align with your business goals and target clientele. If you haven't already, We encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Thanks for watching.